Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of parts of a circle. Let's dive into it. What is the center of the circle given that its equation x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 6y equals 1? So to find the center of an equation, we will need to use the equation of a circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So in this one, in our expression, in the original one given, x squared we have negative 2x, and we have y squared and positive 6y. I would like to rewrite these like terms next to each other. And the other one is y squared plus 6y. If you can just pay attention, the first one is given as perfect square, x minus h squared. So we will need to convert x squared minus 2x in a perfect square format. So x squared minus 2x, we need to add a number into it to make it a perfect square. What number would it be? To find that number, I will give you a shortcut. Let me show you here. You will divide this number by 2. Same thing applies here. If you will divide that number by 2, this becomes x squared minus 2x. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Take a square of it, positive 1. So I'm going to add positive 1 here. And then this becomes x minus 1 squared. Now I had it in the perfect square formats. I'm done with the terms with the x's in it. So let's do the same thing with the y's. Y squared plus 6y. What number will I be adding? Oops. Let me rewrite this. Sorry about that. Y squared plus 6y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Take a square of 3 is 9. 3 squared is 9. So therefore, this will be y plus 3 squared. So I'm going to rewrite them. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 3 squared. When I write these in this format, remember initially we had only 4 terms. I'm gonna show you in a different color. We had this, and we had this, and these. So we had initially 4 terms, but when I did this perfect square, I added positive 1 and 9 on the left side of the equation when I write it this way. So to keep it balanced, I have to write positive 1 and positive 9 on the right side as well. So, and if you will just simplify it, y plus 3 squared, this will be close to 11. So initially, remember, we had our circle equation of a circle formula in this format. Now I had it in this format. So to find the center, we will look at the given numbers. X minus 1, xh minus h, so h is 1 in here. Y plus 3 and y minus k. So plus 3 is equals to negative k. So therefore k will be negative 3, right? Because when you divide both sides by negative, you get positive k. So k is negative 3. If they would have asked you what's the radius of it, you would say take a square root of 11, which is square root of 11 is the radius. But they didn't ask you anything about the radius, so you don't need to worry about it. So 1 minus negative 3 will be the answer for this question. So our right choice is A for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.